Samsung is getting ready to steal the show at its much-anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on July 9th. That's when it will officially unveil its next generation of folding phones. But before the big launch, some exciting leaks have already shown important information about how well and how long the batteries will last in the new Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition. As a premium phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 looks like it will be a real powerhouse. Leaked information says it will have a 4,272 mAh battery that will let you use it for 40 hours and 28 minutes on a single charge. But what really makes it stand out is how long it lasts. The Z Fold 7 is made to last up to 2,000 charging cycles and still have 80% of its battery life. Even better, it's likely to have a battery that can be replaced by the user, which isn't often found in high-end foldables. This will give users the freedom to quickly change the battery. An IP48 rating means it is resistant to water and dust, and a 2.96 star rating means it is easy to fix. This makes it better for everyday use and fixes. Now we have the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which is both stylish and durable. It's going to have a 4,174 mAh battery that will give it an amazing 42 hours and 4 minutes of battery life, longer than even the Z Fold 7. Like its bigger brother or sister, the Z Flip 7 can be charged and discharged 2,000 times without losing its battery health. It will also have the same IP48 rating and repairability score, as well as a battery that can be changed by the user. This shows that Samsung is really focused on both speed and durability. Finally, we have the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, which is Samsung's least expensive folding phone. A 3,887 mAh battery that can last up to 37 hours on a single charge gives it a lot of power, even though it costs less. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.